Okay, when first thing I'll tell you how to use a gradient. When you're using this gradient, you cannot use this attribute color. Just remove this line color, add something called as decoration. Add something called as decoration. This will take a box decoration. Can you see the gradient there? The first box. Okay, maybe the color is not good. Let me try red. Can you see the gradient there? So I'll just explain what I just did. Whenever you are using gradients, or whenever, in other words, let's say whenever you are using this thing decoration, you should not use colors. You have something called as color here, right? You should not use this attribute color when you're using a decoration, right? Because these two are conflicting parameters. When you're using decoration, do not use color. So remove that color attribute which we had mentioned earlier. Remove that. I want you to create this new attribute called decoration. Okay, this decoration attribute. This will take something called as a box decoration. So create a new box decoration. Okay, create a new box decoration, and inside box decoration I want you to use the gradient property. So what will this gradient property take? It will take a linear gradient. There are like different types of gradient, you can explore that yourself, but the very popular one is linear gradient. Okay, linear gradient. And this linear gradient will take three parameters actually, something called as start, just a minute, yeah, something called begin. Can you see this? Begin, end, and colors. So these are the three different parameters that it will take. Maybe for beginning, just for starting, you can use just colors now. So use this parameter colors. The colors is a list. Okay, this will take two colors. The first color will be the starting color. Maybe I can go with colors dot maybe black, and next is the ending color. I can go with colors dot maybe white. So once you're done, just hot reload. You will see something like this. Best part, you can add more than one. You can add more than two colors. Let's say I'm introducing red in between. What happens when I introduce red? Colors dot red. You see that it starts with black, then goes to red, then to white. You can add more colors. Let me say purple. You see that this is a gradient. If you want good colors, if you want good color packages, then just try this site. I think it's gradient, yeah, this one, gradients.cssgears.com. I go with this usually. They have exciting color stuff. You can just vary this whenever you want, and you can set your own custom colors. So let's say I'm going with this one. This red looks good. What I can do is you can adjust this based on your requirements. You can just adjust this and copy the color. You have this hex code, right? Just copy this hex code, click on that, it will copy. Once you copy that, open your app and set the colors here. So let's say my starting color is color 0xff, paste it. Somebody was asking me how to set your own color codes, how to use hex colors, right? So to use hex colors, use the color class, create a new color. Your hex code will start with 0xff and paste your color code here. Remove the hash, paste the color code. So comma, let me add the second color. Let me just copy this. 0xff, paste it. Yeah, and make sure these are like small. Yeah, try hot reload now. See, the gradient is applied. Probably you can't see it right now because of the network latency, but yeah, there is a gradient applied. So this is how you can apply gradients And let me also show you how this begin and end work. So let's say I want to start from this point and end it there, over there. So what I can do is alignment dot bottom left to alignment dot top right. So I think you understand what this means. Bottom left to top right. Bottom left, यहाँ से bottom left, यहाँ से to top right over here. I mean the gradient starts from here and it ends over here, right? Let me hot reload and show you the changes. Maybe this color is not visible. Let me just show you with different colors. You see how that works? The gradient started from here, यहाँ से gradient started here, and it has completed. The gradient is complete on the top right. Similarly, you can change the alignments here based on your needs. Let's say alignment dot left, center left to alignment dot center right. See what happens here. So you see the shift. It has started from the left side and it has completed on the right side. Similarly, you can change this. Let me say this starts at center right and finishes at center left. See what happens. What do you expect the output to be? I have switched the directions. What do you expect the output to be? Somebody, can you tell me what will be the output? Are you confused? Yes? Sneha, white in the left side. You're right. You're right. So that's the output. Michelle and Sneha. Yeah, your guess is right. White on the left side. So this is how you can use gradients. I've shown you how to use gradients